2 to 4 inches for the park, so it will fall within that 6 to 12 inch range, but probably not a foot in the city. More than likely, that's going to be to the north and east, with some amounts of up to 2 feet, especially over the Twin Forks area of Long Island. Here's Future Tracker. It's going to continue to snow heavily in spots. Vans will move through for the next 3 to 4 hours. Around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, things will start to taper off for the area. And now meteorologist Steve Villanueva is in the Weather Center. Is going to talk about all these winds and the low visibility, the blizzard conditions that exist out there right now. Steve?
And that's what we're seeing on Long Island, where we're getting reports of visibility down to almost zero in some spots. The winds are definitely howling now that the storm system is starting to lower its pressure. This will intensify the winds. So gusts are currently looking like this right now out towards Montauk with a wind gust of 39 miles per hour, 32 in Iceland, 31 in Bridgeport. The strongest winds will be found east of the city into Long Island and into Connecticut. Check out the visibilities in Iceland. Visibility right now down to about an eighth of a mile. So that's pretty much whiteout conditions. We are seeing blizzard